How's it going, guys? I was going to knock out my cabin air filter and I thought I might as well show you guys how to do it. That being said, I have an OEM filter. I don't go any other way other than OEM. So, it's gonna cut that shit, you can see that. Alright guys, to remove the cabin filter, push this little tab. Look at that. Once the cover's removed, I'm just gonna push down these tabs. There we go. See, I pushed the 3 tabs down. 1, 2, 3. Move this out of the way. Do not mix up the orientation of this filter. As you see, nice and dirty. Good stuff, right? Alright, so it usually says airflow down. See that? Airflow down. Okay, here's the new filter. That's not dirty. Airflow down. Alright. And that'll make your car smell better. Alright. Put this cover back on. Push it back in. Go nice and tight. Put this cover back in. There you go, guys. That's how you do a cabin air filter. You should do it because it's smelly. Why not make your car smell good? Good job. Stay tuned.